Hey guys, I didn't take this trade on the lower time frame, but I was interested in it, and I'm just looking over and reviewing it, reviewing my read of it. So Aussie yen was on my higher time frame plays list for this week because it was at this weekly buyers area over here. This weekly buyers area. So I was on the lookout for any reaction if there was going to be any reaction. Now, if I go down to the actual trade, the actual trade study, if I go down to the 15 minutes, or actually if I go down to the 1 hour here, I'll go down to the 1 hour. Just loading. Okay, if I go down to the 1 hour, my read on this was within this whole weekly potential weekly buyers reaction zone. I have accumulation over here. Buys creep up. They managed to challenge and even challenge this seller, and this seller fails to perform because they do not break the low. They in fact just reacted this accumulation sort of area, and buyers keep on going. And I think around here is when some people would have taken a sell over here based on this move. So once this move came down and this move comes up, first of all I see accumulation over here again near a logical buyers area, and on the move up I do think the sells are logical because they did indeed react from this seller's zone over here, from the origin of these sellers. So I do think that was logical, and riding the sell down was fine, except once it got to near this buyer's area, we had to be a little bit careful. And I think this particular section over here of these 4 candles just hanging around at this buyer's area, I think that was the key to get out of any sell, because that looked like accumulation to me, and that was the key to get out on any sells and even actually join the buys. So the perfect entry would have been somewhere around there. But of course, stop loss placement is always a little bit difficult in these kind of situations. So the aggressive stop loss for the buy could have been just below this low, but another logical way to play the stop losses in that, I guess, could have been to look at where the buyers started from over here. They started from around here because they went up, came down, consolidated a little bit. So stop loss below here was also logical, and the safest stop losses would have been somewhere around here or even below here. So that makes sense to me. Yeah, so that's my read on this. Unfortunately, I missed this trade. I've missed a lot of the trades that I've got good high time frame reads of, but that is something I have to work on. And since I'm becoming more and more confident in my read, I think I will be able to catch a lot of these moves in future. Okay, thanks, and comments and questions are very much welcome.